So another virtual site visit here within the Union Park Lotus Creek drainage. Pretty interesting system here. Clear evidence of groundwater emergence here. That's what the dogs are now sampling directly. Some spring discharge. What's pretty cool about this feature, really interesting evidence. You can see these large blocks of quartz. As I walked up this channel, we're now walking back downstream, what I noticed was an inordinate number of these large quartz blocks. I think you can probably see them. And so for the geologist listening to this might remind you of a big quartz-filled fracture, or rather what at one point in time was a quartz-filled fracture. Tied to more recent igneous activity in the area. Well, that fracture system, or perhaps even a fault system, is now creating this primary discharge and conduit for this groundwater discharge spring flow. This is now making its way down kind of into the lower elevations. So really just a really nice piece of evidence of geologic controls, fracture fault controls, in driving groundwater discharge and now surface flow. Pretty cool system. Again, for reference, this is that large stand of trees that's slated for both commercial timber sales and ultimately a large prescribed burn.